All right, let's look at this homework, and we are doing angles, and I think this one's pretty simple. We're starting with types of angles, and we've got to begin. Um, are these acute, obtuse, or right? Just remember, acute angles are between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Are precisely 90 degrees. That means exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse are between 90 and 100. So we've got that information. We should be able to do this in about a minute or so. This first angle here is smaller than 90 degrees, number one. They're giving you a hint here, number two, with a square corner. Right angles have square corners. Over here, you can see that's larger than 90 degrees. Obtuse, you should be able to just go through that one really easily just to review those words. Now over here, we're going to do estimating angles. So again, we did this in class today. You just have to know what different angles look like. So I'd say this one here is kind of close to 90 degrees, right? It's definitely more than 45 degrees, which would be right there. So, I don't know, maybe 75 degrees or something like that. And over here, we see this one. 90 degrees would be right there, right? So this is more than 90 degrees. This is obtuse. How much more? Maybe, I don't know, 30 degrees more? So I'll call this one about 120 degrees. If you look at this one here, it's pretty close to being a straight angle. So a straight angle, which we also have here, this is a straight angle number 6, right? So that's easy. That is 180. So then, what do you think about this one? It's maybe like 15 degrees less, approximately. So I'd say maybe 180 minus 15 is going to give you about what that is. And again, we're just estimating. So as long as you're within, 10, 15, 20 degrees of what it actually is, that's fine. And if you want more practice with this, you can play the game that we did in the Google Classroom. Just link to that to give yourself